In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Air Product Reviews app on Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser, and once you are on the main dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Apps. This takes you into the area where installed apps and app options are managed. At the top, use the search bar to look for the App Store. Open the Shopify App Store, then move to the search bar at the top of the App Store page. Click into that field and type Air Product Reviews. Say the name clearly as you enter it on screen, Air Product Reviews, then press Enter to load the search results. From the results, click Air Product Reviews app in UGC. This opens the app listing page where you can review and install it. On that page, click Install. Shopify then redirects you back into your Shopify admin, where the app permission request appears. Click Install again to confirm the connection between the app and your store. For this video, the app has already been installed to save time, so after installation, the app opens directly into its setup wizard. Now move into the part where the app is enabled inside your store theme. Go to the left sidebar in Shopify and click Online Store. Under Themes, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor in a new view. Once you are inside the editor, look to the top left area and click App Embeds. In the App Embeds list, find Air Reviews. If the toggle is off, switch it on so the embed is enabled. When that is done, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. After the save finishes, return to the Setup Wizard tab and click Next Step. Now you can start using Air Product Reviews inside your product pages. In the theme editor, go to the page selector at the top. Click it, then switch the page type to Products. This changes the preview so you are editing a product template. Once you are on a product page, go to the left sidebar and click Add Block or Add Section, depending on what your theme shows in that area. After that panel opens, click the Apps tab. This shows the app blocks that are available from Air Reviews. Here you will see blocks such as All Reviews block, Review box, and Star Rating. These are the main review elements you can place into the product page layout. To add the All Reviews block, click All Reviews block from the app options. The block is inserted into the product template, and its settings appear so you can control what it displays. To connect it to review content, scroll down in the block settings until you find Review Source. In that area, click Select. A product picker opens so you can choose which product will provide the reviews for this block. Select the product you want to use as the source. Once the source is selected, stay in the block settings to customize how the reviews appear. You can change the number of reviews to display, which controls how many review entries show inside the block at one time. You can also change the summary background, which affects the background styling for the summary area. Then adjust the card background, which changes the background styling for the individual review cards. Continue through the available settings in that section as needed, using each control directly in the editor. As you make these changes, the product page preview updates in the theme editor, so you can see how the review block looks inside the layout. Keep working through the settings panel for the All Reviews block until the section is configured the way you want it. After the review block is added and customized, your main setup is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, the key parts of the app are already in place inside your Shopify theme. The app is installed, the app embed is enabled, the product page is selected, the app blocks are available under the Apps tab, and the All Reviews block has been added with a review source connected to a product. The settings for the block, including the number of reviews to display, the summary background, and the card background, are all available directly in the editor so you can finish adjusting the display from the same screen. That is how to use the Air Product Reviews app on Shopify, starting from installation, then enabling the app embed, and then placing the review content inside your product page template using the app